Coaches. Coaches of all our elementary performers. Okay, before I announce the results, Sir Daniel Apon will give input about your performances for improvement. No, these inputs will help us improve our performances. No, dili take negatively, take it positively for next performances that you will be having. Okay, Sir Daniel Apon.
Thank you so much, Mom. Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Katmon! Ever since I started teaching at DepEd's programs, I always commend the excellent performance of the talents of the municipality of Katmon. May it be in street dance, in hip-hop, so that is why whenever Ma'am Vivian would invite me to be part of the panels, I would be very happy because I always look forward for all the dance performances. And this year, you never failed me to be impressed. As in, super duper. And I would just like to take this opportunity to inform everyone, kamong mga bata, tanan-tanan mga estudyante, please, being a winner is just a bonus. The medal is just a bonus, but being part of the DLC, a folk dance troupe, a hip-hop in dance sport, you are already a winner. Remember, this is for your physical aspect. Now, you will also learn how to keep yourself healthy, though this is just a cultural competition. Duha ka buok ang pag-preserve sa itong culture at at the same time, ang sa inyong fitness. And most especially, ang self-discipline. Mabitang lang dugay kung mahuman, kay sige o, limay ang inyong trainer. Grabe, I am very impressed with the entries of the folk dance secondary. Even the entrance, they always put their hands at the back. And that is because of all the coaches and the organizing team. Please let's give them a big round of applause.
Yay!
Tanak siya ang tinuod na kadaugan sa inyong mga estudyante. Being disciplined, bisag dili panatanan. Sa atong pagpakan natin mga kuya o ate. Nga ganina, expected yun kaganina na basta hip-hop gani, naadyo nga makuyapan. Kaya no, first pick pa lang wala, hataw na gina siya. Hataw na gina. So I salute to all the hip-hoppers. Kaya na gina, buhay gino. Sa bukang gino na damon street dance. Alright? Now, for the first announcement will be the DLC. Grabe ang mga concept. And we could see the concept already through your costume. Through your costume.
Yes!
And aside from that, the music,
Yes!
which has a greater criterion in the DLC. And of course, kay contest man ni, so naagoy ma-announce the winner, pero walang loser sa inyo. Actually, karang hapon na, there are only two people. Winners and learners. Learners. Kaya katong hindi pa kadaog karon, makakataon man sila sila mga kuwang. Balag siya nagkuwang siya sa ako. Okay. Well, we're very impressed with the preparation of sa DLC, no? Bisag duha pa mo, sir, no? Bisag duha na mo, no? Pero kami nga nag-judge, maraming nag-judge o kapuok. Grabe good close kaayo ang fight. And of course, nibilig lang ni sa Osaka grupo nga even they are playing instruments, they were able to memorize their formation. Pretty naghana sila formation, pero grabe, maintain ka lang nilang pag-play sa instruments. And the dynamics is very clear. When you say dynamics, ladies and gentlemen, it's the softness and the loudness of the sound. So naa siya ka timpla, even sa sayaw, sa hip-hop ko na read, di mo nga relax, ganita mo ang hip-hoppers. Pili ka mag-feel, ikaw mag-blood ka nun. Alright? And of course, dagangan salamat sa pag-invite na ito. Naman din niya, magpasalamat ko po sa Ginoo kay we have survived for the many trials na ating kaagian. I am a victim of 6.9 magnitude because I have handaan pagbayan. Until now, there is shaking on the ground, but my faith and my resilience is unshaken. So that is why nakapagulin din. Alright, are you not ready? So, ikaw, i-input. Ano ang tempo na mag-input? Ano sir, input mo. Tempo na lang mo. Sa folk dance, grabe, ako nabiliban doon yung usang grupo ay folk, karagin ang maayo manayaw folk dance. Nakasagay diri, uy, from start until finish, ang smile, ang pori sa kamot, grabe, as ang na-maintain yun. Sabot ang hip-hop, mabuti na akong i-look forward ko niya ang hip-hop niya. I thought, basta hip-hop, mga lalaki ang mga talented. Uy, girl empowerment, manene. So, asa mo nila mas talented, babae o lalaki?
Bayan sa kayo!
Women empowerment sa ganung panahon na may grabe ang mga babae. Kaya wala tayo na, grabe, very impressive. Thank you.
Okay, so sa ko lang ako lang ipuno ang sa folk dance. Okay, for the folk dance, kay elementary rally ang sinurel. Okay, kung mag-handle ka og props sa folk dance, you must see to it na dili siya makadistract. No? Kung dapat ilukto, dili makuhaan tagwa, ang mga props, mga siya kuhaan i-avoid. And then, when we say rural dance, makita ang yung liveliness sa dance. Then, may emphasize kung unsa ang di-portray sa dance. So, basahan ko ang origin or yung origin sa dance o asa o sa Tabu dance para masabtan o mahatin na to ang eksaktong liyok sa mga bata. So, kung folk dance rural, kuha na siya is live video. Kita nyo na siya ang live video sa dance. Bili kayo sa kuha na siya na mga galuya. Kay this is a festive dance kasagaran ang mga rural. Live video siya ay celebration of good harvest, mga siya. So, dalang to ikuha sa part sa folk dance is ma-maintain ang energy sa bata. At also, of course, to follow the dance literature. Ayaw i-sacrifice ang dance literature sa inyong choreography or staging. Pinaka-importante ang execution o ang interpretation of the dance literature. Sige, na lang. Ikaw sa art ka. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon, everyone. Nabilit pa. Okay, for the dance sports, it's supposed to be tanang juvenile or elementary ka na DQ din siya. Paminaw ha, coaches, trainers, DQ din siya because you are not following the syllabus. Naana siya i-follow ang syllabus sa elementary, that's juvenile, dili pwede mag-open. Katong yung nakita ganila sa mga bata sa elementary, those figures are open. Naato siya na belong sa open. Ang juvenile, you have to follow the syllabus. So whoever will for this afternoon, please follow the syllabus. Para inabot sa provincial meet mo, pasok din siya. Automatic mo na. If ang athlete, if ang couple, hindi na follow sa syllabus, DQ na yun. Alright. Next, you have also to minimize highlights. most especially sa junior category sa atong mga high school. Ayaw kay palabi o highlights kay wala na siya points. Ang points anak kay naa sa recovery. Ini-guide ninyo, ibarog ninyo na agad nga ang points sa recovery, wala sa highlights. So if mag-highlights gani mo, no bearing ang points anak. Alright? And then you also have to familiarize para inyo matundo sa inyong mga bata ang timing. Na each of the dances, dahil lahat na siya timing. Na ay syncopated, na ay on beat, na ay things like that. You have to study. And then for the hip-hop, these are my general observation. Consistency and distribution of energy. Makakita agad na ganyan sa mga tabo. And then, the use of music as well, it's very important. And then the concept. Now, para impactful yung mga concept, trainers, dance trainers, teachers, please study and apply dance librito for more impactful performance. Kanang dance librito, mura na siya o storyline sa inyong performance. Nakapo na anak kong i-indicate ninyo kanila time, sa inyo ipakita, kanila time, sa inyo ipakita. If you study and practice and apply dance librito in your presentation, there will be more impactful presentation. Just like sa makadaog later, nindot kayo ng performance. Overall, thank you so much for inviting us. No, it's a very, very impressive performance starting this morning up until this afternoon. So can you give yourselves a big round of applause? And to the proud parents, thank you for always supporting your children.
Thank you so much to all the judges for your very significant inputs. To all our performers, I hope that the coaches and the performers did listen to all of those things they were saying. And now, take a deep breath. DLC competition. First, run it up. DLC. First runner-up is please receive your award from elementary school.
Alala kuya. Ah, lumayo.
Congratulations!
Oh! Yaw! Ay, wala na.
Okay.
Right guys,